All right, well, we haven't posted a video in a while, and that's because we had a monsoon come through, and it's been pretty wet. But well, and the other reason is we couldn't find the GoPro charger, and we finally found it. And while we were doing a little bit of stuff this morning, we were letting the GoPro charge. But so far this morning, we've greased this tractor, that auger cart, the 9250, and that auger cart. Aired the tires up there. The tires are already aired up. We put fuel in both the tractors, and when you say you're gonna shell one more hopper of corn while it's raining, not all the corn comes out the next time you empty the auger cart. So we had to get inside of the auger carts and clean them out. But now, geez, she's dirty. Now I'm going to wash these windows, and look at what we decided to get this year. Right there, we got a CB. Well, it's not really a CB, I guess, but it's a radio from Midland. I don't know if you call it a CB or not, but that's what I'm gonna call it. Radio from Midland. It's got a little bit further range. I think next year we're gonna get one for the semi, so I don't have to call Dad every time I come to the field, ask him where he wants me, and that'll be a lot easier. So I'm gonna clean the inside of this thing out, wash the windows, and I don't know if we're gonna be able to show corn today or not. Alright, well, it's the next day. The cold has arrived. Had a little frost on this morning. I'll get it, Ross. But we found a field that's dry enough to shell some corn today. Letting the tractors warm up. A little chilly. But I don't know, we'll see what we can get done today. It's probably going to be a little soupy in the ditch where we're unloading the auger carts, but it's getting to be the time of year where you just got to do it, so we'll see. Well, guys, we made it to the field. There's 45 acres here, and it's basically just a square, well, rectangle. Good long rows, should be good running. You can see this is where we had the truck. Just did a little get on the gas to see how wet it is, and it's really not too bad. As you can see, we aren't leaving any ruts, just kind of leaving our tread. But I'm sure once we start unloading the semi, we may just fill the carts half full and see how that goes. But I'm sure that once we start unloading the carts, unloading the carts, filling the semi up on the road, where we're driving over it multiple times, I'm sure that'll start getting a little sloppy, but hopefully it'll be pretty good running. It's fairly flat ground. There's going to be a few wet spots, but let's see. These MacDon, these Drago heads are awesome. Once we start shelling corn, or we're done with beans, we don't have to take it off. We just fold it up and drive down the road. That's pretty nice, not having to take the head off every time you're done in a field. And then once you get it to the field, all you gotta do is hook 2 PTO shafts up and you're ready to start shelling corn. daggone PTOs are never lined up after you take them off. It's been just enough.
Here, don't put it there, you'll lose it.
Damn.
Let me get it.
You got it. Nope. Don't have it.
You can't turn it on.
Is it on there?
Should have took your card. Got them a slide battery.
Hey. Weak sauce. Here. Finally getting to shell some corn today, boys and girls. Still a little, it's not really wet, but it's sticky. So, yeah. He's gonna take me, well, not gonna take me to the truck, he's gonna take both of us to the truck. And I'm gonna go get the semi, and I think we're gonna actually go today. Get her done. Well guys, I don't know if you can see the tires or not, but I really hope you could, but we were just unloading on the go right there, and I just all of a sudden just dropped down. There's like these little, I want to call them washes, but they're not washes, they're just like little dips in this field, and obviously they're going to be wet down there right now, but it wasn't even in one of those. Sunk all of a sudden, so I really hope I got that on camera, but if I didn't, there will probably be another one today, so. Guys, GoPro's been charging, so haven't filmed for a while, but there's 40 some odd acres in this field. I'm not sure how much we've got done, probably close to 25 or 30, we're not gonna get done with it tonight. Elevator's closing at 7. It's 6:30 right now. Brock's trying to make it there in time to get one more load in, so we won't have much to do in here tomorrow morning, so that'll be good. But hopefully sometime this week we'll be having another truck show up.
Turn that shit off.
We eating, D?
Eating a hot dog with no freaking bun.
Why?
Because I'm hungry.
You on Atkins?
If I was, I could eat more than one hot dog.
What's going on?
Costco hot dog.
No, it's not what's going on.
Beefy.
It's been, got what did it get down to last night? 26?
24 if you get up early enough to see.
Got down 24 last night. Had a pretty good frost on the ground this morning. So it's, yeah, you can't see that, but it's almost 11 o'clock and we haven't started yet, so gonna be a good day.
Mm-hmm.
Probably not.